Hello everyone. Let us today study about database management system. What is database management system? A database management system is a system software for creating and managing the database. It provides a user and programmers with a systematic way to create, retrieve, update and manage the data. Let us look at this diagram and make the concepts more clear. The database management system consists of three modules: the application programmers, the database management system, and the end users. What does this database management system consist of? It consists of a software which is nothing but the database, which is used for storing the data and the programs. This entire DBMS acts as an interface between the application programmers and the end users, which also ensures that the data is very consistent, stored in an organized way, and can be easily accessible as per the user needs. Let us look at the areas into which the database is actually used. First is the banking system. In the banking system, the database is used to store the records of all the customers holding the bank account along with the details of their loans and other transactions. Database is also used in the airlines and railway system for storing the information about the reservations of the customer as well as to display the schedule of the arrival and the departure. The database is also used in the educational system for storing the information about the course registration and the result of it. Next, it is also used in a human resources organization for storing the information about the employees, their salaries, their tax details, and so on. It is also used in the telecommunication system for communication network for the details of the call records as well as for generating a monthly bill. It is also used in e-commerce as a business activity for online shopping, for booking the holiday packages, for consulting doctors, and so on. Next, let us look how is all this possible with the help of SQL programming. What is SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is a standard, interactive and programming language for storing, manipulating and retrieving the data which is stored in the relational database. Relational database is the database which stores the information in a tabular form. Now, the data which is stored in the tabular form can be accessed through a query. So what is a query? It is a user request to retrieve that data or the information which is stored in the tabular form, for which the user has to specify the condition. Let us look at the different SQL commands which allows us to retrieve and manage all the data. It is broadly classified into three categories: the data definition language, the data manipulating language, and the data control language. Let us concentrate on data definition language and data manipulating language. First, the data definition language. There are three commands which is used for defining the data into the database: the create command, the alter command, and the drop command. We today mainly concentrate on the create command. The create command is used to create a table by defining its column and the column data type. The create statement is used to create a new table. Let us look into the syntax for how to create a table into the database. Create table, table name. Specify the name of the table which we want to create. Column name, data type, size. Column name 2, data type, size. Column name 3, data type, size. The column name is the actual name of the column which will appear into the specified table name. The data type is a type of a data which a column will hold. For example, a column can hold a data type as a varchar, as a character, as an integer, as a numeric, or as a date. The size is nothing but the maximum length that the column will hold inside that particular table. We can have as number of columns depending on the table name. Let us look for an example of a create statement. Let us create a table called as person with the following column as name, age, state and job, with the data type varchar for the column name, data type int for the column age, data type varchar with the size 255 for the column state, varchar with the size 255 for column job. Let us look at the output of the statement in the tabular form. which creates a table person with 4 columns: name, age, state and job. Next is the data manipulating language. The data manipulating language is used to manipulate the records which are stored inside the table. First is a select statement, insert statement, update statement and delete statement. We'll look into the select, insert and update statements today. What is a select statement? A select statement is used to fetch the data from the database or from the table inside the database, and the table that we retrieved after the selection is called as either the result table or the result set. Let us look into the syntax of the select table. Select column name from table name. The column name is a name of a column which we want to retrieve from the respective table name. For example, if suppose I want a name and an age column from the person, the query for it to be returned is select name comma age from person, which retrieves the column name and age from the person table. So the output is from the person table, it retrieves all the records of the column name and age. If suppose I want to fetch all the fields of the table, for that I need to specify select star from table name, where star indicates retrieving all the fields of the table. Select star from person, the star retrieves all the columns of the person table, that is name, age, state and job. Next data manipulating language command is insert. The insert into statement command allows us to add new record into the table. Insert into table name, values, value 1, value 2, value 3 and so on. These values are nothing but the record that we insert in a sequence in the table name. For example, if into the person name I want to add the values as Smith, 24, NY and lawyer, we'll add all the details in sequence according to the table of a person, that is name as Smith, age as 24, state as NY and job as lawyer. So the output is the value inserted into the person table is Smith as name, 24 as age, NY as state and lawyer as job. Next data manipulating language is the update command. The update command is used to modify the existing record into the table. The where clause has also to be written with the update query, otherwise all the records or all the rows of the table would be affected. The query for the update table is update table name, set column 1 equal to value 1, column 2 equal to value 2, where some column is equal to some values. Let us look into the example. For example, if I want to update the person table and change the age of Smith to 30, I need to mention the condition by where clause and need to mention the new values with the help of set. That is update person, set age is equal to 30, where name is equal to Smiths. So the table before the updation was age equal to 24 of a person Smith, which is now updated to age equal to 30 for the person Smith. So the overall summary of an SQL is like we first create a design, physical design of a table by using a DDL command and do the implementation or make the changes into the SQL design by making use of DML statements. Thank you.